Hey, I'm Erik, your Ocean View Insider and local real estate expert here at the Ocean View Fishing Pier. I just wanted to take a moment and introduce myself. I'm retired Navy, did 30 years in the world's largest volunteer Navy. I've had my real estate license for 10 years. I'm a Norfolk native, member of the Hampton Roads Real Estate Association, and I'm on their board of directors as well. I'm also a member of the Blocker YMCA and on their board of directors as well. I'm a regular member of Holy Trinity Catholic Church. Grew up in Norfolk and Virginia Beach, so I'm a Hampton Roads native. I'm here to help you with everything you need real estate and give you advice and tips on how to best enjoy Norfolk and, most importantly, Ocean View.